Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best robotic pool cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the LVKE-L1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, retailing at only $119.99. But don't let the low price fool you. It still packs a punch with some impressive features. The LVKE-L1 boasts a high-efficiency filtration system powered by a 1280 GPH motor, capable of tackling debris, leaves, and dirt with ease. Its upgraded obstacle crossing capability ensures it can navigate over drains and slopes, making it ideal for flat above-ground pools up to 38 feet. The design is lightweight and compact, with a cordless operation that eliminates the hassle of tangled cables. It has a runtime of 70 minutes on a full charge, which is sufficient for smaller pools. Smart auto docking ensures it parks itself at the pool's edge when the battery runs low, simplifying retrieval. While it's an excellent entry-level product, the LVKE-L1 does have its limitations. It's not suitable for large or in-ground pools, and the 4-hour charging time might be a drawback for some users. But for the price, it's hard to beat as a basic, effective cleaner for above-ground pools. If you're looking for an affordable way to keep your pool clean, this is a solid choice. At number 4, we have the Bubot 300P Robotic Pool Cleaner by Bubot, priced at $159.76. This mid-range option offers a lot of value, thanks to its advanced blue hole tech, which delivers industry-leading suction power. It excels at removing leaves, sand, and other debris, making it perfect for above-ground pools up to 850 square feet. The Dirt Lock Tech 2.0 ensures no leaks during cleanup, so you can lift it out of the pool without worrying about debris escaping. One standout feature is the intelligent sensing and auto parking system. The Bubot 300P automatically adjusts its direction upon contact with pool walls and docks itself near the edge when the battery is low. It also features a 90-minute runtime, which is great for larger above-ground pools. The cordless design provides hassle-free operation, and the sleek silver finish adds a touch of modern elegance. While its performance is impressive, the Bubot 300P is limited to above-ground pools and may struggle with uneven surfaces. Additionally, it lacks app control, which is becoming a standard feature in this price range. However, with its reliable performance and user-friendly features, it's an excellent choice for homeowners who want a powerful yet affordable pool cleaner. At number 3, we have the Bubot Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner, priced at $179.99. This model's a standout for its dual-layer filtration system, which combines a 180 micrometer filter with a textured foam layer, enhancing filtration efficiency by 50%. It's designed for above-ground pools up to 1,076 square feet and excels at capturing fine debris, sand, and even small leaves. The 120-minute runtime is one of the best in its class, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without interruptions. This cleaner is equipped with a dynamic LED indicator system, providing color-coded updates on battery life, operating status, and even error notifications. The edge cleaning function gives it an extra boost when tackling pool walls, and the self-parking feature makes retrieval effortless. Plus, the sleek green and black design is both modern and highly portable. However, this cleaner is best suited for above-ground pools and may not perform as well in in-ground setups. Additionally, its performance in heavily soiled pools requires frequent filter cleanings to maintain efficiency. That said, for its price and impressive filtration capabilities, the Bubot Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner is a fantastic option for anyone seeking thorough cleaning with minimal effort. Coming in at number 2 is the Bubot C1 Pool Robot Vacuum, a premium option for in-ground pools priced at $459.99. This cleaner is loaded with advanced features, including a triple motor system that provides exceptional suction and climbing power. It can tackle floors, walls, water lines, and even stairs, covering pools up to 1,614 square feet with impressive efficiency. The intelligent navigation system maps your pool for optimal cleaning patterns, ensuring no spot is missed. The WBOT C1 stands out with its smart app integration, allowing you to customize cleaning routes and monitor progress from your smartphone. The 150-minute runtime is a game changer, making it ideal for large pools, and it fully recharges in just 3 hours. The large filter basket and dual PVC brushes handle all types of debris, from fine sand to stubborn algae, with ease. While the price point is higher, the performance and versatility justify the investment. The only downside is its weight, which makes it less portable compared to other models. If you're looking for a high-tech, reliable cleaner for your in-ground pool, the WBOT C1 is a top contender. Finally, at number 1, we have the Polaris 8050 Sport Robotic Pool Cleaner, the ultimate choice for in-ground pools. Priced at $799.99, this premium cleaner is designed to deliver a top-tier cleaning experience. It features cyclonic vacuum technology, which maintains strong suction throughout its cleaning cycle. The Polaris 8050 can navigate all pool surfaces, climb walls, and scrub to the tile line, ensuring a spotless finish every time. One of the standout features is the transparent lid and push-and-go filter canister, which makes debris disposal quick and hygienic. It comes with a 50-foot cable and a 4-liter debris canister, making it suitable for pools up to 40 feet in length. The included premium caddy adds convenience for transport and storage. With over 40 years of experience in the industry, Polaris has built a reputation for reliability and performance. And the 8050 upholds that legacy. The high price and corded design may be drawbacks for some users, but for those seeking the best in performance and build quality, the Polaris 8050 is unmatched. It's the perfect choice for homeowners with in-ground pools who demand professional-level cleaning results. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.